Located in North Parramatta, west of Sydney, the proposal for Parramatta Artist Studios lies within Australia's first female convict prison. New glazed structures stand in the footprint of the now demolished cell blocks. Featuring an inversion of historic materials, openings become sandstone blocks etched with historic references. It is no longer a place of entrapment, but a place of freedom. We now descend to the subterranean floors and are met with a void. Pathways weave in and out of the intermediate level informed by the songlines of Sydney, a tribute to the Indigenous Australians who first inhabited the site. 20 artist studios are located around the perimeter, each featuring an operable window which they may pivot and rotate to exhibit themselves, their work in progress, or use as a means of privacy and control of natural light, intriguing the public. Continuing down, guests are provided with a reception, with avenues to the gallery and retail spaces on either side. We now move into a plan of Lower Ground 2, which we have just arrived. The red X indicates our location. We now enter into the public gallery and are met with a unique vantage point to the far corner of the gallery, a suggestion of what is to come. As we make our way through the gallery, it is a curated experience, with opportunities to display larger pieces as well as smaller pieces. We now enter into the space that we saw a glimpse of as we entered the gallery, housing larger pieces with a ceiling height of 15 meters. The boutique and library are strategically located as one exits the gallery. We now exit into the restaurant, bar and cafe, which also features a void to display large art pieces, and exit to the floor above, moving into a floor plan of Lower Ground 1. Again, the red X indicates our location. We return to the lift lobby. This floor is secure, accessed only by artists or external groups paying to use the facilities. Access to the songline-inspired paths facilitates a more intimate experience with work exhibited by the artists. We now enter into a private studio of a ceramicist. Each studio is afforded a light well, providing diffused natural light into the space during the day and forming a light beacon at night, illuminating the sculptures above, which we will soon see, and the view back into the void. We now move into a floor plan of the ground floor. The red X indicates our location. Mini amphitheatres are provided for artists to work outside and perform live art tutorials for the public. Moments of respite are curated within the pathways, featuring visuals of the surrounding art. As night falls, we begin to see the light beacons in action, illuminating the sculptures within the park. We finally move into section. All sandstone will be sourced on-site during excavation and features a high thermal mass. Low E glazing is specified throughout. Hot air is exhausted during summer and captured within during winter. And water is pumped from Parramatta River to provide a means of passive heating and cooling.